Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming network and powering on the TV so nothing blocks the cast. Once your Chromecast and computer or phone share the same Wi-Fi, open Chrome and navigate to the website you want to cast. This is where content lives. Make sure the TV shows the Chromecast input so latency checks are simple. If you're on mobile, keep the screen unlocked to prevent interruptions. These steps get the connection ready and locate the source before you initiate the cast. Now you'll initiate the cast from within Chrome. Click the three-dot menu and choose Cast. Once the device list appears, pick your Chromecast and decide whether to cast the current tab or your entire desktop. Casting a single tab reduces bandwidth and keeps other windows private. Make sure you allow any permission prompts for audio or screen sharing. If the site uses protected content, select the desktop option to transmit the video frame. This sometimes finish by controlling playback from Chrome, pause, seek, or adjust volume. Changes apply immediately to the TV. When you're done, stop casting from the Chrome menu or simply close the tab to end the session cleanly. If video lags, audio is out of sync, or the cast fails, try the quick fix. Restart the Chromecast and the router, then reconnect both devices to Wi-Fi. This clears transient network issues. If problems persist, switch to Ethernet or lower the tab's streaming quality to reduce buffering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.